So see the difference from that pretty face to this. Anyway, so we are now at this part of the video wherein I want to make this extra special. What I'm going to do is I'm going to remove everything that's in my face. So why I chose to do that is because I wanted to also show to everyone how I actually remove my makeup. And you know, just the feeling, alam niyo yun, the feeling of removing makeup from your face. So say like you're from a long day at work and then you just want to clean off everything that's in your face. Diba parang ang satisfying ng feeling. So I hope this part of the video will actually show you or give you that feeling of satisfaction. So as usual, the way I remove makeup is I use baby wipes and I also use my Human Nature sunflower oil. I've been using this one for years now. I use this as my makeup remover and my face oil as well. And also another addition is I spray my face with this aloe vera 92% soothing gel mist. So for me, para siyang water, but I think this has great benefits for the skin. So I actually include this in my cleansing regimen as well. So, without further ado, ang mukha at ang makeup na pinaghirapan kong gawin for 1.5 hour, tatanggalin ko lang in 5 minutes. So, I hope you enjoy this makeup removal video as well. Light. So, ang unang tatanggalin natin is of course yung eyelash extension ba? Anyway, so I already placed sunflower oil in this baby wipe. So it's 3 pumps of this one. And then normally what I would do, I know that the aloe vera gel is used for soothing and moisturizing purposes, but in my case, since I don't really need moisturizing gel mist from time to time, so I just use this as part of my makeup or cleansing routine every day. Okay, so kasi ang maganda rin kasi pag gumamit ka ng oil to remove makeup is isang wipe mo lang tanggal lahat. So let's do the first half. As you can see, ganyan siya kadali. See that? Wala na dito. So let's do the other half. So, I buy my sunflower oil from Human Nature. I think I started using it late 2013, 2014 when I first discovered it. And then from there, I was hooked. Like, hindi na talaga ako nagagamit ng ibang face oil. So, as you can see, one wet wipe is not enough. Actually, guys, pati yung arms ko ang dirty na nga. Marami siyang swatches and all. So, tanggalin ko rin yan. Of course, I have to remove. So, let's take another wet wipe because one wet wipe is not enough. That's how thick and how many products I used on my face for that look. The eyelash glue is so hard. previous one, I then apply toner. Or, I wash my face. But I have this belief wherein I don't want to wet my eyes, especially that I am about to sleep and I just came home from work and my eyes have been exposed to so much radiation from the phone and the computer and all. So, I just don't want to abuse my eyes. So, I know there is no such scientific explanation to that, but just to counteract the fact that I don't wash my face with facial wash before going to sleep, I really do intensive deep cleaning. So this is the one. I use aloe vera mist and sunflower oil, and then I do toner after this. So guys, my camera just died, so I have to switch to my cell phone. But anyway, this is my face after removing all the makeup that I placed an hour ago. And so I hope you like what I did, this additional video. And if you want to see more videos like this, you can like this video and also don't forget to subscribe. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Have a very nice day.